Alright, what's up YouTube? Yo, boy Rock Tactical, I'm back, man. Took a couple days off, 20 days to be exact. I was just chilling, handling business, gotta stand on business, handling business, take care of what I gotta take care. I got some free time now, I'm back. I'm back posting every day. I'm back doing everything. Like, I really took 20 days off. Like, I ain't get on YouTube to do nothing about my channel. Other than that, bro, I'm back. Like, I was gone for a while. I was chilling, take care of what I gotta take care of. But I'm back. Foot back on the gas all 2023. I ain't taking no more breaks probably till about the winter. My next break, I went on a 5-month straight streak. I'm going another 5-month straight streak, and then I'm gonna probably take, Christmas to winter off. But back doing everything. You wanted to comment? Get in my channel, comment on my comments, talking spicy. Come on, you know me, I'm gonna troll right with you. Cause all it's doing is helping me get more views, helping my video have more comments. So I'm gonna troll right with you. But today, we gonna be doing a 5-inch micro AR pistol. It's the Romanian Century Arms Micro Draco, also chamber 7.62. So I'm gonna show y'all the gun clear. I don't know how YouTube feel about taking the mags out, so I ain't gonna show y'all that and be a little safe. But gun clear. Safety back on. Put the mag back in, away from the camera. Gun clear. So, I'm gonna be, me, I always like to do 5 things. 5 things I like, 5 things I dislike. Basically, we're gonna do the verse. I'm gonna put clips of me shooting them. So we're gonna start off with fan favorite. Micro Draco. Why is the fan favorite? Rappers love it. Everybody in the hood love it. People who just like guns, they love it. You ain't even gotta be from the hood. It's a real novelty gun. Everybody should own one. Now, if you do get one, you're gonna get bashed because everybody thinking you buying one with the intent to shoot it like it's a full-size AK, when that's not the intent. So, 5 things I like, 5 things I dislike. 5 things I like. It's so small. It's so tiny. I'm talking about it's very tiny. Like, this little gun pack a nice punch. So, very small. Very small, fits in every book bag, any book bag, daughter, diaper bag, anything. So, very small. Second thing I like about it, reliability. You can run these things through whatever. Like, I go to a gun range that uses a lot of sand for the backdrops and stuff for the bullets. And sand gets all in the chambers of the guns. It's probably still some sand in here. I never cleaned it, but never failed. So 2 gonna be reliability. Number 3, the number 3 thing I like about it, the flash it has. Like, I'm talking about flat fireballs. If you like fireballs and like to see everybody at the range, like, get one. Fireballs. So for the fireball. Number 4th thing, I like the availability of them now. Because you couldn't find them at first. Now they're in every store again. They're back available. I like the availability. And the last thing I like it about is the 7.62. I love the 7.62 round. 7.62 round is my favorite rifle round. And this happens to be chamber 7.62. So that's the 5 things I like about it. 5 things I dislike about it. The wood. The wood goes fast. You're gonna have to upgrade the wood or upgrade something. I don't know if you guys can really see, but like right here, chipped the wood already. And I've heard numerous stories about the wood breaking. So, first thing I dislike is the cheap wood. Second thing I dislike, the handle it comes with. The pistol grip it comes with, horrible, garbage, trash. I took it to the range to shoot it, the thing was coming loose in my hand. Like, I would shoot it, and I would feel the gun wiggling. With the grip, I got my own grip steady, the gun is wiggling. So, get rid of that fast. 3rd thing I dislike, and I'm going all in about the gun here. 3rd thing I dislike, the trigger guard. The trigger guard is made so rough and so nasty. I had to put some hockey tape on here so I wouldn't keep cutting up my knuckles. I mean, like, it's horrible. This is horrible. I hate it. So, if you got a micro or any AK, really put you some hockey tape on that trigger guard, you're gonna be good. 4th thing, I just like the reputation that it comes with. Just by having one of these, it comes with a bad reputation. People are gonna hate you. People are gonna put you in a certain category just because you had this type of firearm. When I don't buy firearms with the intent of hurting anyone. I buy firearms with Oh, this could help my channel drastically. Oh, this is a nice gun. Oh, this is a toy. I can go to the range and just mag dump this and naturally have fun as an adult. You get what I'm saying? But owning this, you get put in a certain different type of category. It's the gun, hoodlums. Just because I'm black, I own these, now I'm a hoodlum. Now I'm doing drive-bys. Like, it comes with a bad reputation just because of the rappers. The last thing I hate about it, bro. Matter of fact, I'm gonna give you 6 things I hate about it. The last thing I hate about it is the sights. The sights it comes with is garbage. You can't hit. Like, you have to be a nice, you gotta get you some workout with this before you hit anything. These sights are horrible. And the 6th thing I hate, it weighs a lot. It weighs a lot, but that's because it's Romanian made, like Draco, but it's heavy. Having it in a book bag, you're gonna feel it. Like, I had it in a book bag, and I was feeling it. It's like, with a full clip, it's heavy. So, those are 5 things I like, and the 6 things I dislike. It's crazy that has 6 dislikes, but it is what it is. So. Now, the micro AR pistol, chambered in 7.62, right? Now, just gonna go ahead and give you the 5 things I like about it. 5 things I like about it. It takes an AK round. That's one thing I like about it. I like the fact that it's 7.62 and an AR platform, so it's already different. Second thing I like about it, the customizability. I could do a lot to this gun. I haven't really did as much. Like, you'll look and be like, well, he did, kind of a lot. Got the Seagram L5, takedown pins, drop in trigger, small buffer. I did a little bit to it, you know what I'm saying? But there's still more to be done. I could upgrade muzzles, change out hand guards, change out this with ease, change out sights with ease. Upgrade my internals to make it run more. I put a bigger charger handle on it. So, customizable. Third thing I like about it, it's more controllable than the Draco. I can be more precise with this small package just because of the sight. So that gives the advantage already. You can throw a sight on it straight out the box. Draco, you have to do spend a couple hundred. The 4th, or I don't know if it's the third or 4th thing, is how cheap it is. You can build you one of these. I'm not gonna say the number because YouTube is on my butt right now. So I'm following all rules, staying along all guidelines. Can't tell you how much I paid for it, but just know it's very cheap. Not near as much as the micro Draco, so you can have fun. You can have fun for cheap, so very cheap. 4th thing is how light it is. Like, this is so light. Like, I had this in a book bag for hours on my back and rarely felt it. Like, this thing is really light compared to the micro Draco. 5 inches, with the smaller buffer. So it's really light. The last but not least, what I like about it is it's different. I'm different. Like, AR-15, 223, 5.56, maybe 300 black ops. It's rare you see a 5.56 chamber in 7.62. You hear AR, 5.56, 223, maybe some 300 black ops if you spend that little money to run suppress what you do. Other than that, you ain't really seeing too many 7.62 AR pistols that's really functioning. That runs and function. Like, this will run until I gotta switch up the barrel. The only thing that's gonna fail in here is the barrel, just because it's a little cheaper. So there's a certain amount of rounds, just pop a new barrel in there, boom. So the 5 things I like. Now, the 5 things I dislike. I hate how gassy it is. It's very gassy. Like, this is gassy, but this, if you were to shoot this thing in the house, smoke alarms will go off, everything off one shot. It's so gassy. I had a blue Strike Industries pistol tube on here, and it had a hole in the back, and I would be shooting it like this because, I'm not putting it in my shoulder. I'm shooting like this. The gas would just, so I have to do like this to shoot, and it really made me just put that on there. So very gassy. The second thing I don't like, you have to do some upgrades. You can't just go buy mil-spec parts and think you're gonna get a 7.62 AR pistol to run. I don't care what size it is. You gotta do some light upgrades. They cheap, those AR parts cheap, but you have to. You got to. Third thing I don't like is she's rough on steel. Like, if I use the bolt that it came with, I probably get three shots of steel off at a time. She's rough on steel because 7.62, but 7.62 is for the cheap steel. So that's why I just said, well, forget it. That's why I said forget it, and went in. Got the fail safe, got the nickel bolt, with the enhanced firing pin, and then I got the drop-in trigger for the enhanced trigger spring, so that shooting that steel is nothing. I run through steel, you know. It's all about what my barrel can take. So, fourth thing, it's not as, it's like, it's harder to anticipate recoil, depending on which rounds you use, because the recoil kind of is all over the place because it's a 7.62. But I'm not talking about close range. If you're in my vicinity, you're hit. I'm talking about when I took it out to 75 yards. It was hard to anticipate the recoil and land good groupings on the paper just because how small it is, and I'm trying to reach out farther. Like, these guns are not made for that. Like, this will be a PDW, personal defense weapon. If you in my, all my guns are PDWs, no matter it's a pistol, a rifle, and it's PDW. You get what I'm saying? Like, I'm gonna use it for a personal defense. I'm never gonna be sitting down the corner with a rifle trying to hit someone at 300 yards. Like, that's pointless. Now, if I went to the range, if I was a tournament shooter, if I was anything that had something to do with that, that'd be cool. Or if I just like building those and I just like reaching out and touching, that would be cool. You get what I'm saying? But when you comment on my video talking about you're not gonna be able to hit anything, you're not gonna be able to, bro, my intentions are not, I don't wanna have to, you feel me, do that to somebody. But I will if I'm defending my life. Other than that, all those 16 and 20-inch rifles, they're pointless to me. I have two. I go shoot them at the range. It's cool, but there's only so much you can do. Okay, I master shooting those. Now I want to bring something different to the YouTube platform. That's why I went like this. And as you see, I was the first guy to really build a micro AR pistol and really show y'all the schematics. Woo. And when I see them around YouTube, I'll be like, you feel me? It's like this, like I'm just shaking y'all up because y'all the shows of love and looked out. So it's hard to reach out about 75 to 100 because you're gonna have to anticipate the recoil. As far as in the 25 to 50 yards, it was very easy. I was hitting good, nice groupings about this big for 70, you know, for a 5-inch barrel at 7.62. It's perfect. You get what I'm saying? Now, if I were to SBR, put a real stock on there, foregrip, it'd probably be way better to shoot. Last thing about this gun that I don't like, it gets hot fast. I mean fast, like after 2 shots, it's hot. Very hot, like doom, it's hot. Gets hot fast. So keep that in mind, get hot fast. So now we're gonna go over the overall shooting, and I'm gonna insert the clips in right here, then we're gonna wrap this video up. So when I'm shooting this, right, showed you guys it's not loaded. Finger never on a gun trigger, and it's not safe. So when I'm shooting this, I grip it like this, you know, get all the way in there, and I get my grip on, right? And I shoot it like this. Dude, I'm going to insert the video right here. Everything around me was just flying around. So, very nice. Now with this, I shot this like this, and it was doing just like this. You get me? So you can manipulate this easier, but the sights are shit. You're gonna have to be a good shooter. So I'm gonna just insert some clips in here. You probably already seen them when I took it to the range, and then let y'all decide. But if I had to pick, I gotta go with this. Just because 25 to 50 yards, I'm gonna be able to hit. I'm gonna be able to perfectly hit my target, not hit anybody he's around or anyone who's behind him down the street, or not hit some little girl right in their bike. I'm gonna be able to hit my target just because of the sight. Or when I throw flip ups on here, I'm still gonna have some type of good sights that I can use. Point and shoot. Like I'm gonna point and shoot, and then, you know. But with this, I wouldn't even really carry this for a self-defense weapon just because you gotta just spray. This is a point and spray type of gun. Unless you throw a rail on there till you get you a sight, then you could be accurate. But if you're just out here with this and you're doing your thing, you got some nice aim, my boy. Salute you. You feel me? You got some nice aim. But me, I'd rather do this, you know, for everyday carry backpack purposes. Go ahead and build your 5-inch AR or some small 8.5 inch anything. With this, if you carrying this point, you have to be on them. You get what I'm saying? So I do not recommend you guys carrying this, because either you're gonna the boom from this shooting is gonna like just throw you off and get you hurt, or you're gonna hurt somebody you're not trying to shoot. So keep them pistols on you. Other than that, I'm rocking with that standy dandy Glocky. You know what I'm saying? So, y'all like, comment, and subscribe. More content coming soon. I took a break, but I'm backing out, boys. YouTube keep giving me strikes and stuff, so really had me unmotivated.
Yeah.
Energy made this one.
Yeah, hey. For my little brother, they tryna box him.
Mr. Sam.
Skeptics one day and make a fucking team. Niggas only buying strikers with you ride in. I ain't getting no striker if we ain't sliding. We don't know young boy shit, we the ones that crack. I bet this K will separate that nigga temple from his mind.
Watch this.
Always